Once you walk in the building, on the outside, the exterior is very modern. It stands out a little bit more than the rest of the buildings on campus. But as soon as you walk in, you'll see a pop of a lot of color. This building is one of the largest buildings around of all our Alamo colleges. The square footage of this building is over 126,000 square feet, and the cost for it was $59 million. We also have several PTE educational programs, which includes our logistics, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, robotics, welding, and advanced manufacturing. We also have our Wellness 360, which offers services for our student and staff. And we also have over 25 instructional spaces here in our building as well, which we have around 13 general classrooms, and we also have specialized instructional spaces. We have over 100 faculty and staff that are housed in this building, where we do service between 800 to 1,000 students a day.
Having a beacon like this building with all of these new technologies, this is technology of today that is being housed here. I believe the student experience, being able to learn in a controlled environment like a lecture with the professor who has those types of skills, and then to be able to apply those in a real world atmosphere like an advanced manufacturing facility like Toyota, it's the best feeling in the world. Anybody can do this if they have the opportunities.
This building will really help students when it comes to registering for classes. The process for registering for classes won't be so overwhelming, but also my favorite resource is the Share Center. The Share Center provides many different resources for students to help students continue coming to school, continue getting an education. Here at Palo Alto, in the Rio Grande building, I've been able to have wonderful experiences with my classes and with my professors. I have been able to have professors that want to encourage me, help me succeed because they want the best for me.
This building is like a beacon for the South Side. This is an amazing facility. It offers health services where we can help the public, but in turn it enriches all the people. The dental hygiene program will treat approximately 600 patients in that time frame, offer approximately over $1 million in dental hygiene services. We have 30 different dental chairs. Each student has a private place to treat their patients, so we're protected with HIPAA. The uniqueness of our programs help to enrich the community surrounding us and helped our students realize that they can do anything they set their mind to.
The conversation about this building, it was exciting, having a new building, was the way we talked about, what are some of the things we could have for students as they come into a new academic advising center or a new admissions center or a new financial aid or bursar's office. That got us excited and allowed us to dream and imagine what we could create for the students. Students can go for resources that they need, not only for here at the campus, but for the community to help them out as well too. The opportunities are endless for students here, especially in this new building. And there's still opportunities to develop and enhance this Rio Grande building. Just because we built it and it's brand new does not mean that we stop there. We continuously look for ways to improve.